Apify and ScrapeHero both get you data from the web, but don't pick one before you understand how they're different. Apify is a platform, and platforms need someone to operate them. You configure the scrapers, you manage everything, and when something breaks, that's on you. ScrapeHero works differently. You tell us what data you need. We build it, run it, and maintain it. You just receive the data. Apify is like having a kitchen. ScrapeHero is like having the meal delivered. Apify's entry price looks reasonable, but it doesn't include the developer who sets it up, the fixes when it breaks, or cleaning the raw data before it's usable. ScrapeHero charges a fixed price for a defined scope. No surprises. When a website changes, and they always do, our scrapers automatically adapt. Your data keeps coming. With Apify, someone has to notice the problem and fix it. And during that time, your pipeline is down. ScrapeHero has real people checking data quality every single day. And if you ever have an issue, a real person gets back to you in under an hour. Not a chatbot. Someone who knows your project. If you want full control and have a technical team, then Apify works. But if you just need reliable data without the overhead, we're the stronger option. Remember, the cheapest tool isn't always the cheapest solution. If your team is maintaining scrapers instead of using the data, you're already paying more than you think. Let's fix that. Get a free quote today.